Portable charger versus quick charge, which is better? Title: Portable charger versus quick charge, which is better? Introduction. In today's fast-paced world where our devices have become an integral part of our daily lives, staying connected is crucial. However, the constant use of smartphones, tablets, and other gadgets often drains their batteries quickly. To address this issue, portable chargers and quick charge technologies have emerged as popular ways to keep our devices powered on the go. But which option is better? In this article, we will explore the advantages and disadvantages of both portable chargers and quick charge technologies to determine which one suits your needs best. What are portable chargers? Portable chargers, also known as power banks, are convenient external battery packs that allow you to charge your devices on the move. These small, lightweight devices are equipped with built-in batteries of various capacities, and they come with USB ports to connect your devices for charging. Advantages of portable chargers. 1. Versatility. Portable chargers are compatible with a wide range of devices, including smartphones, tablets, Bluetooth headphones, e-readers, and more. This compatibility makes them ideal for people who own multiple devices or who are always on the go. 2. Portability. As the name suggests, portable chargers are designed to be carried anywhere without causing much inconvenience. Their small size and lightweight nature make them perfect for travel, outdoor activities, or simply as a backup power source. 3. Increased battery life. With a higher capacity portable charger, you can significantly extend your device's battery life. This means you can watch movies, play games, or work for longer periods without worrying about running out of power. 4. Wide price range. Portable chargers come in a wide range of prices, allowing you to choose one that fits your budget. Whether you are looking for a basic charger or a premium high-capacity one, there are options available for every price point. Disadvantages of portable chargers. 1. Limited charge cycles. Portable chargers have a finite number of charge cycles before their battery loses capacity. Over time, the battery may degrade, decreasing the charger's overall lifespan. 2. Charging time. Portable chargers usually take longer to charge compared to quick charge technologies. If you need to charge your device urgently, waiting for the portable charger to replenish its own battery can be inconvenient. What is quick charge? Quick charge is a fast charging technology developed by Qualcomm, a leading semiconductor and telecommunications equipment company. Quick charge technology aims to reduce the charging time significantly without compromising the overall health of the battery. Advantages of quick charge. 1. Lightning fast charging. Quick charge technology enables your device's battery to charge at a much higher rate than conventional chargers. With compatible devices and chargers, you can expect to each 50% or more charge within a short period, saving you valuable time. 2. Intelligent charging. Quick charge technology is designed to maximize the charging efficiency and minimize heat generation. This ensures that your device isn't subjected to excessive heat, which and degrade battery performance and lifespan. 3. Widely supported. Quick charge has become a widely adopted standard across many device manufacturers, including Samsung, LG, Xiaomi, and more. This makes it easier to find compatible charging X. Series and ensures interoperability between devices. Disadvantages of quick charge. 1. Compatibility limitations. While quick charge is supported by numerous devices, not all smartphones and tablets are quick charge compatible. This means you need to check your device's compatibility. Why before investing in a quick charge charger? 2. Cost. Quick charge chargers, especially the latest iterations, might be more expensive than traditional chargers. If budget constraints are a concern, investing in a quick charge compatible charge might not be ideal. The future of portable charging technologies. As technology continues to advance at a rapid pace, it is safe to say that the future of portable charging technologies looks promising. Manufacturers are constantly working towards improving the efficiency, speed, and compatibility of both portable chargers and quick charge technologies. One area of development is the integration of wireless charging capabilities into portable chargers and devices. Wireless charging removes the need for cables and provides a more convenient and clutter-free charging experience. We can expect to see more portable chargers equipped with wireless charging pads, allowing users to simply place their devices on the charger for seamless charging. Furthermore, advancements in battery technology will also contribute to the evolution of portable chargers. Scientists and engineers are continuously researching and developing new battery materials and designs that can store more energy, charge faster, and have longer lifespans. As these advancements become commercially viable, we can anticipate portable chargers with higher capacities and fast charging speeds. Another trend to watch out for is the integration of smart features into portable chargers. Smart chargers can intelligently distribute power based on the device's requirements, ensuring optimal charging efficiency and battery health. These chargers may also come with companion mobile apps that provide real-time battery information and allow users to customize charging settings. Additionally, environmental sustainability is becoming a significant consideration in the development of portable charging technologies. Manufacturers are exploring eco-friendly materials and processes to reduce the environmental impact of these devices.